Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will do an experiment to see the air pressure. Before doing that, can anyone tell me what is pressure? Yes.
The force applied perpendicular of the surface to an object for a unit area.
Yes. So now we'll see the air pressure. For that, what we require a board, or you can take a tray also, a stand where we will put the matchstick, tissue paper, glass, candle, and water. Now what I will do, I will lit this matchsticks. Now what I will do, I will take this glass and put it upside down. I can wait for that. Now as I lift this glass, now you will see, now when I lift this glass, what do you observe? Yes, anyone?
Air pressure.
Yes, one minute.
The glass has stuck to the tray.
Now what do you observe? The glass has stuck to this tray. Now why this happens? Because yes, air pressure. But for the candle to burn, what is required? Oxygen. And as the oxygen finished in this glass, the hot air in this glass starts contrasting, and the vacuum is created in this glass. And that is the reason why the glass has stuck to this board. Now, even if we put weight on this tray, what are you observing? Is this tray have fell down? Yes? No. The glass has lifted the glass also which has water in it. And it has become so powerful, you can see. Yes? Because it is all because of the air pressure. Okay, thank you.